Do you hear this noise? Hopefully you can. That is sonar scanning of the seafloor, and they're doing that. That was a toilet to find good spots to core. What we're looking for specifically are nice soft spots in the seafloor that have good layering of mud, so that the gravity core doesn't bounce off the seafloor and instead plunges into the seafloor and gets us a good core sample of mud. And they have different frequencies of sonar that they use. The lower frequency sonar is actually able to penetrate the seafloor and give you a little bit. Toilet again. Penetrate the seafloor and give you a little bit of information about what's underneath, which is pretty cool.